3, 2, 1.
Rainstorms and blizzards can be very dangerous to drive in due to the amount of precipitation they produce, which will do what to the road's visibility? The answer is A. Make it worse. What furniture piece includes a seat, back, and arms, but no legs or base? The answer is C. Couch. Which philosophy emphasizes the pursuit of happiness as the highest good? The answer is D. Epicureanism. Which desert is partly covered by the Sahara? The answer is B. Arctic. In Hebrew, what number is represented as 7? The answer is A. Sheva. What does the Hebrew word gaon mean? The answer is B. Genius. Which of these countries has adopted the rose as its national flower? The answer is A. England. What type of bread is stuffed with a meat, cheese, and vegetable filling? The answer is C. Sandwich. What type of highly prized Japanese beef comes from cows that are massaged and fed beer? The answer is B. Kobe. What was Frankie's middle name on the soap opera Days of Our Lives? The answer is D. Henry. What is the world's smallest country? The answer is A. Vatican City. You have a string that is 120 inches. You must use this to enclose a shape of maximum area. What shape should you form? The answer is C. A circle of circumference 120 inches. Which of these is a baseball team based in Toronto? The answer is D. Toronto Blue Jays. The thick tunica media allows muscular arteries to play a leading role in what? The answer is B. Vasoconstriction. Which country holds the record for most national parks? The answer is B. USA. At what angle is the Earth tilted? The answer is C. 23.5 degrees. What is the name of Senator Barack Obama's 2004 book that became #1 bestseller on the New York Times nonfiction list? The answer is B. The Audacity of Hope. What is the term for the smallest blood vessels? The answer is A. Capillaries. What is the hard outer covering of a tooth called? The answer is A. Enamel. What do nerve impulses travel along? The answer is A. Axons. Which star is visible during the day and not at night? The answer is A. Sun. Who penned the plays The Emperor Jones, Morning Becomes Electra, Anna Christie, Desire Under the Elms, Beyond the Horizon, and The Iceman Cometh? The answer is A. Eugene O'Neill. The glockenspiel is similar to a xylophone but uses what for sound production? The answer is B. Hammers. It rained on a hot summer afternoon and a puddle formed. After several hours, the puddle was gone. Which two processes made the puddle form and then disappear? The answer is A. Precipitation followed by evaporation. Where do mushrooms thrive? The answer is A. The Amazon. Who is the author of the novels Von Humboldt-Flescher, Augie March, and Moses Herzog? The answer is A. Saul Bellow. Which of this is the general name for the type of pasta shaped as swirls? The answer is A. Fusilli. In 2002, which manufacturer launched the first Windows-powered cell phone, originally known as codename Canary? The answer is B. HTC. Who is known for studying conditioned reflexes in dogs? The answer is C. Ivan Pavlov. What food is traditionally served with haggis on Burns Night? The answer is B. Neeps. Which is the best plan to make the fossil fuels supply last longer? The answer is D. Reduce electricity use. Which anatomical term defines the midline groove connecting the upper lip to the nose? The answer is C. Philtrum. Which geologic feature is evidence that the North American plate once collided with the Eurasian and African plates? The answer is A. The Appalachian Mountains. Newly made proteins are modified in which organelle? The answer is B. Endoplasmic reticulum. What makes monotremes different than other mammals? The answer is B. They lay eggs. The sequence of bases in a gene translates to the sequence of what protein components? The answer is A. Amino acids. Which is not a set in the Cartesian product AXB if A equals 1, 2, and B equals A, B? The answer is A. 1A. What never asks for permission but always enters a canvas? The answer is B. A brushstroke. What is the base in baking soda called? The answer is D, sodium hydroxide. What is the sum of 6 plus 7? The answer is C, 14. Which vegetable is commonly pickled and eaten as a snack? The answer is A, cucumber. What can fill a room with just one person in it? The answer is D, a person wearing mirror shoes. Which activity would help protect the natural habitats of animals? The answer is D, limiting construction in wooded areas. What is the smallest unit of data in a computer's memory? The answer is D, bit. Which supply is used for measuring objects? The answer is B, tape measure. What is the state bird and symbol of the U.S. state of Virginia? The answer is C, cardinal. Who was the only U.S. president to resign from office? The answer is A, Richard Nixon. Which step should a student do in order to be able to repeat an experiment? The answer is B, keep a record of all procedures. In science, what can be described as a set of steps that help us to answer questions? The answer is A, scientific method. Which character of the novel The Amber Spyglass calls Lyra to the land of the dead?